Hello, this is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor. Today, I just want to talk about what I do behind the scenes when me and you are working, and I'm your professional consultant finding your new home. Our first step will be basically to do your need assessment, which is how much space are you looking for? What zip code are you trying to live in? What time frame are you looking to buy? Do you have any financing set up already? And also, what kind of features in the house you're looking for? So we got tools that make this easy. You can shop online through different websites and find the houses that are listed, or you can put me to work and let's use the tools that are available. I'm going to share with you how we actually transfer that analysis of your needs into a simple system that will work for us. So let's go over this right here. All right. So based on our conversation, I will be able to look within the zip code, active houses, single homes, just depending on the year that was built, how many paths, what's the price range, and we will be able to see how many of those houses are available. We can see the results right here. So based on what I just picked, that is right there. Another thing I will do is I will check and see how many of those houses with similar features sold within the last 90 days, or I can go 180 days. I will see those, how much they sold for, and this will help us to make an offer when we're making an offer on what you decide to buy. So as you can see right here, let's go back to active because we want you to buy what's available. We come in here, and when you give me your information, I will save this and I will send an email. I will choose your name based on what you already give me, and I will send you all those information. So that's it. That's easy. That is me going to work and using the tools that we have to shop for you, and it will update you as houses come into market. And if any price changes, it will update you also. So use me as your professional salesperson, and let's make your next house buying the easiest process you'll ever do. So please share with your friends about what we can do for you, and we look forward to finding your new home. Thank you.